Hey, Brady.
Hey, Laura.
I think he works way too much, Brady.
And I think she works way too much.
Oh, you're
Thank
so
God.
sweet.
Thank God I showed you that magical trick when we first started.
Because my eyes were so baggy and the dark circles and all that. Have you ever had that? Huh?
I mean, like, when you wake up in the morning, you're like, we need to do something.
Mm-hmm.
I think we should teach them.
That's such a good idea.
I have a little treat for them, though.
Okay.
You're gonna do it.
Me?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Ugh. Okay, let's do it.
It's the first one I've ever taught you. You should know it very well by now.
Okay.
Let's
all right.
show what I taught you.
Let's see.
Hey, beauty babes. Welcome to the Bad
And Booty Show.
And we're here to shake shit up.
Okay, Brady has asked me to do this, and I am petrified because he's the professional, I am not. But I do it every day. Isn't that funny when you're like, oh my gosh, he's asking me to do something on him? What?
I think ask is the super nice word. I'm more of like, you're going to do it because we love uncomfortability here.
We do. So anyways, we have the toner. And what does the toner do?
The toner just kind of lifts, absorbs the moisture. It just kind of plumps and preps the skin.
Okay.
And you focus it right under the eye, it just, makes it so much better and pretty.
So I'm going to put it on my hands, right? And then put it on there. That's what I do every morning, but I'm just like, I know Brady's going to be like, you did it wrong. So I'm just like double, checking, whatever. So, what am I doing?
And then you're going to go ahead and press it right underneath the eye.
Okay.
And just really, really allow that toner to soak in under the eye.
It's really nice, guys, because I had an issue with the puffy and the lines, the dark circles under your eyes before, because I work a lot and you get tired and all that. But then Brady was like, I have a trick for you. And I'm like, yes, what do you got? What do you got? I actually do this every day, and it's huge. So let me do the other one.
And you can use
Oh my gosh.
any type of toner. You can use my favorite is the Oidermine from Shiseido. But any toner will do this for you.
Okay, you hold that.
I will hold it.
Now, what am I doing next? I'm going to put this on, right?
So you're going to take your hand back, the fingers, and just really work the toner in. Because right now we're really shiny. And we just want to really I'm doing kind of a rolling, packing motion, just pressing it underneath my eye. You don't want to rub the eye like you go, because that's such a tender area right through there. You can pull the skin, and you lose the elastin. So
okay, sounds
now that it's all moistured, soaked up in, have fun. Brighten me up, baby.
Okay, we got the concealer going on right here. What concealer is it?
This one is the Flawless Fusion. It's an ultra long wear. I love Laura Mercier. Most of my foundation skin stuff is going to be Laura. I love that European skin. So, and there's lots of vitamin C and yeah, I'm not going to go into all that. I'm not a salesman.
Okay, first time concealer on Brady J, the professional makeup artist. Here we go. My gosh.
P.S. This is history in the making. I think the last person to ever touch my face was my mentor and my drag mother. So
yay! I must be privileged, right? And now, did you want me to do the thing?
Yep, just one swipe right down the middle.
Boom.
Bam.
There you go. Now what?
Oh no! So now you got to blend it in.
We've got the brush.
Now.
Blending. So tell us why we don't use our fingers.
Because number one, fingers pull the skin. They stretch the skin, and your oils can actually make your skin and your foundation separate. So, always brushes, and with this one, we're going to use a nice, fluffy brush.
Okay.
We're going to use circular motions.
Circular motions. Goes like this.
Oh, circle.
Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, if you've ever done this before, put makeup on someone that you haven't done, tell me in the comments below. I really want to know. That must feel terrible.
No, it actually feels fantastic. You're doing great.
Okay.
Just
I'm going to
circular
get your
motions.
eye.
And I'm going to tell that trick because right here, you're going to switch to this eye and you just want to pull it across. Your first one, you're doing exactly what you're supposed to.
Okay. Here we go. Circular motion. Hopefully, I'm not going to poke you in the eye.
I mean, do you know how many people I've accidentally poked in the eye over the years? I accidentally pulled someone's face once. I thought it was a brush hair. It wasn't. It was her hair, and I pulled it. I was like, ah!
Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to do the circle motion on the nose, right?
And when we're doing the nose, we want to work it out because we don't want to go down any further. We just want to blend it right out.
With the circular motion.
I love this. This is so much fun.
So tell me why again we do it on the nose.
Because we want right here at the bridge of your nose, it makes a really, it has a divot. You have like an indent right there where your forehead and your nose meet. And you're just trying to soften that because we want to bring things forward. That's the whole point of brightening your makeup, is so that you pull things forward, and then contour is to pull it back.
I love that. It looks so good. I think I need to go into another industry.
I'm like, you got another profession, babe.
I think I'm good.
Oh no.
Watch out,
Great, my job.
Watch out. That's hilarious. Well, that's it.
Yeah.
Huh.
Do you know, like,
So cool.
how fast was that? And I'm
Yeah.
like, I'm already looking brighter. I'm already looking fresh, and this is gonna stay on all day. As soon as I hit my fixed spray, I'm good to go.
And do you know why I love makeup, Brady J? Because it makes me feel good. When I wear makeup, I go out in the world, I do my Zoom calls, or I do meetings, or whatever it is, and I just like, I feel that inner confidence, and that's what it's all about for me.
But how do you feel when you walk into Sephora? Do you feel like overwhelmed?
Oh, there's so much to pick from. I'm like,
Exactly.
okay, I need a Brady in here.
And that's all you need, is you need a generalization. Hey, we use toners, and that is what we're here to do. We're here to teach you and make it a little less overwhelming when you walk into the makeup store.
Is that it for today? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hey, if you want to see more videos like this, if you've got some ideas of new topics or whatever, just put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Yeah. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified of the upcoming videos.
And we'll be back with another episode.
That's Bad and Bougie, baby.
Bye.
See you in the next one.